How to earn money using RedBubble. Simple tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with RedBubble. So let's get into it. Now, RedBubble is a simple and easy print-on-demand platform. And what is print-on-demand, you ask? Well, print-on-demand is when a website provides you with different products, and all you have to do is upload your own designs or upload your own prints, and then they will print it on any kind of item that you want. So they have different categories of items that you can choose from, and you can have it printed on those items and then shipped to people that order from you. So you can basically create a e-commerce store using print on demand with Redbubble just by adding your designs onto t-shirts, mugs, clothing accessories, masks, any kind of accessories basically, and basic apparel items. To begin earning money on redbubble.com, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto redbubble.com, and over here you're just going to click on sell your art over here, and you're just going to click on start selling, and then this will be the artist sign up. So you're going to sign up as an artist on Redbubble. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log on to my account over here, and the sign up process is pretty simple. You only have to fill out a email and a password, so that is pretty simple and easy. It's not too difficult for anyone to do, but they don't have Google sign up, which I find to be a bit annoying sometimes. But other than that, you can just use any kind of email address, or you can use any kind of email address, username, and password. So I'm just going to use a new email over here. I'm going to go with Jane Doe, and I'm just going to enter a password. Now I'm just going to remove any spaces, and then I'm just going to click on sign up. I'm going to enter some numbers. So I'm just going to click on sign up over here. Now, once you sign up for your Redbubble account, you're going to be able to start your print on demand business. So, what you're going to do, like just to briefly explain before I get into how to actually go and design these products, you can see on your left you have your account, and then you can just click on sell your art, and then you can upload your design. So, you can create products, set up shop, and get paid. So, from here, you can also go into your manage portfolio section, and you can add a portfolio, you can add different collections, you can add separate works, or you can add, like, let's say like you have like a female empowerment collection, so you can make it like a collection and add it all together, and people can even purchase those products in bulk. So to get started, this is going to be your profile. You're going to have followers, following, and favorited, and then on your account you're just going to find your sell your art section, and from here you're just going to set up how you want to create your product and set up shop. Now, how can you actually create products to sell on Redbubble? Because a lot of you might be wondering, hey, I'm not very artsy, I don't know how to design, and what is the competition? So first off, you're going to go on to Redbubble, and you're going to see all the different categories. So in clothing, you have dresses, hats, hoodies, t-shirt, all the basic stuff. You have stickers, you have masks, you have phone cases, wall art, home and living, kids and babies, accessories, and stationery and office. So you can keep in mind something preset before you actually go on about to creating the design. So let's say if you want to specifically create a t-shirt design, you can keep that in mind when you're creating your design, just so it's a lot easier for you to design the item. Now, you can see over here there are a bunch of different themes as well. So to get started with designing a simple little t-shirt, even if you have no design experience whatsoever, I am 100% sure that you could easily use this method to make money. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to canva.com. Now, Canva is a simple and easy design platform where you can design any kind of item. So they work on a very simple drag and drop basis. You're just going to click on custom size. You're going to go on to canva.com. You're going to click on custom size. You're going to go from pixels to inches, enter a 12 by 12 canvas, and then you're just going to click on create new design, and from here you're going to begin designing. So let's say I want like an animated illustration, so I'm just going to click on the element section over here. I'm just going to search for girl, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the graphic section. So don't go into photos, go into the graphic section, and from this graphic section you can see there are so many different beautiful little graphics available for free, and you can just pick anyone out to enter onto your t-shirt. So let's say I want to pick this out, and I can expand it over here, and I can just place it right on the center, and then I can add like designs over here. So I'm going to go back into my element section. I'm going to go into lines and shapes, and I'm just going to take these lines. I'm going to change the line weight, make it in black color, and then I'm just going to expand it and place it over here, and I'm going to do Control or Command C and Command V, and I'm going to place it at the bottom as well. And then you can also place it on the sides. On the sides instead, I want to place something a bit different. So I am just going to go and I'm going to enter like this kind of frame over here. No, this is like a doggy frame. Maybe I want to add this if this works. So I'm going to change the color onto black, and then I'm just going to expand it like so. And I'm going to add like side borders over here just so it looks a bit more cuter like this. So this is like the design I have currently, and obviously you can just go into your element section. You can search for basically anything you want and you can probably find a free illustration, and then you're just going to click on download. You're going to download this PNG from your Canva account. So this is just downloading over here, and once your download is completed, you can go back onto Redbubble, and on Redbubble you're going to click on sell your art. You're going to click on add designs, and then you're just going to add your design. So I'm going to click on upload new work. You're going to go into your downloads, and then you can just upload that design that you just created, and then you can add the title. You're going to add girl. You can add as many tags as you want, so make sure you're adding a lot of tags like girl, female empowerment. So add like as many tags as you can, and then add like a detailed description. Make sure you do these two steps instead of like leaving it blank, and make sure you are filling it out. And then you can see the product preview. So you can enable and disable a product. So maybe if I only want this on t-shirts, I can enable t-shirts, but if I want this to be on phone cases as well, I can click on enable or disable. And maybe if I want it on desk mats, I can enable it over here, and I can enable it on laptop skins and sleeves. So you can add this on as many products that are available on Redbubble that you want. And after you have enabled that, you're just going to scroll down, and then you can have the default product in your shop so anyone can view this work, or if this is like only you. And if it is mature content, you're going to enter that as well, so this is not. And then you're just going to click on save work over here, and just like that, your product is ready to go. So once you have added your product, now it is being uploaded. Now you can see over here that my work is available on so many different t-shirts. I have all of these different options available, and customers basically have all of these different options available for them to purchase this. And all I had to do was create the design, and Redbubble does all the hard work for me. And even with the design using Canva, you can really create awesome designs for free, even if you have no experience in the field whatsoever. And you're now able to start making money with Redbubble. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.